Woke up heavy in the hips, stiff in the lower back, or just dragging through your mornings? This isn't laziness. It's your body trying to speak. Let's give it a voice. Through movement and breath, let's hit the mat. This isn't just a warm-up. It's a wake-up call to your deepest stabilizers. Start in tabletop position, wrists under shoulders and knees under hips. Lift your right knee to the side, like you're trying to open a heavy door with your leg. Now pause at the top, small, controlled. You should feel this in the outer glute, not your back. I promise this lights up the exact muscles that prevent hip collapse and lower back pain. Beginners, a smaller range. Advanced stretches, add a band or slow it down even more. Still holding? 5 more seconds. Can you keep the knee lifted just an inch higher? Now switch sides. Notice the imbalance? That's where tension lives. Keep breathing, because we're about to build from the ground up. Stay on your knees and bring your torso upright. Now hinge at the hips and slowly set your glutes down towards your heels. Then squeeze your glutes to rise back up. This isn't about speed, it's about intention. I promise this movement trains glute control and hip extension. 2 things that protect your spine and power your posture. Beginners, use a roll towel under knees. Advanced stretches, keep the glutes tight the entire time. No resting at the bottom. Feel the burn yet? That's your body remembering how to support itself. Let's open it up now with precision. Come forward into a low lunge, slide your front leg across your mat and lower into pigeon. This is where stored emotion, stress, and tension all hide, in the hips. I promise the stretch goes deeper than most. It releases what talking can't reach. Beginners, stay upright and breathe. Advanced stretches, fold forward and sink into the mat. Still with me? Drop your forehead down and breathe into your right hip. Now switch to the left. Feel how the side resists differently? That's not weakness, it's a map of your habits. Next up, we'll unlock where tension often hides beneath awareness. Lie on your back, cross your right ankle over your left knee. Now reach through, grab behind the left thigh and gently pull towards your chest. This is figure 4 and it's personal. I promise this move isolates your piriformis, a small hip muscle that can cause big problems when tight. Beginners, keep the head down. Advanced stretches or rock gently side to side. Can you feel it hugging your outer hip? Let's switch legs. This is your challenge stretch. Can you stay present through both sides? You're nearly there. Now we activate all. Feet flat, knees bent, lie back. Now press your right foot and lift your hips, one leg at a time. Squeeze the glute, lower with control, switch sides. We're not just stretching now, we're rewiring your glutes to fire, not compensate. I promise this single move protects your spine, powers your stride, and resets your core rhythm. Beginners, keep both feet down. Advanced stretches, hold at the top or pause the descent. Last challenge. 5 seconds on each leg. Hold, then switch. You've got this. That just activated your entire posterior chain and reminded your body what strength feels like.